Good noon to everyone. Today discuss about the petroleum refining and petrochemicals. Unit number 1, basics of petroleum. Topic છે આજનો evolution of petroleum અને કે classification of crude oil. Okay, તો સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ આપણે. This is the most important point. 7 માર્ક્સ માટે પૂછી શકે છે વારંવાર જીટીયુમાં. Now start. The petroleum is classified into mainly 3 conventional types of the first one is the paraffinic base. And the second one is the mixed base or intermediate, and the last one is the naphthenic base. Okay, this is the most important, again repeated. The classification of evolution of petroleum crude oil ના ત્રણ પાર્ટ છે. Petroleum is classified into mainly 3 congenial types is the paraffinic base, mixed base and intermediate base. Last one is a naphthenic base. Now third one, some authors have referred the naphthenic base as asphaltic base. The name naphthenic is more convincing as it represents the homogeneous series where asphalt is a polymeric condense and some material for having a very high carbon to hydrogen ratio. It's a high carbon to hydrogen ratio. Okay, of no equal nature of the general formula for this categorization into these 3 types may not be very accurate and a brief. It serves without any represent any reservation the purpose. Okay, general formula કીધી છે આપણને શું કીધી છે, although and the categorization into 3 types may be not very accurate and brief, it serves without any reservation the purpose. Okay, some knowledge basis પર આપણે વાત કરીએ. For crude is very essential as the depict even through not fully usually some properties enhance and can they actually inform the refineries about the difficulties is in a processing to this basis. Now, this is irrespective of the basis of the crude, all the hydrocarbon series listed in a chapter 1 are present in all crude but to the different extents, and the Malaysians classified crude excessively on the basis of a residuum and the mineral left behind the distillation of a fraction accordingly. This is the most important point, this one. First, second and the third one. The residue containing more than 5%. Paraffinic is a paraffinic crude. Residue containing less than 2% paraffin is a naphthenic base, and a residue containing 2 to 5% paraffin is considered as a mixed base. The proper method of evolution of crude started with the US on a mines, okay, which design 8 different bases of crude. Okay, this is the most important point. Again repeated. શું કીધું છે કે ઇવોલ્યુશન ઓફ પેટ્રોલિયમના પ્રોડક્ટના બેઝિસ પર આપણે વાત કરીએ તો 3 ટાઈપના ક્લાસિફિકેશન છે જે મોસ્ટ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ છે. ઓકે, so simply the petroleum is classified into mainly 3 conventional types is the paraffinic base, second one mixed base and intermediate base. Third one છે naphthenic base. હવે some author have referred the naphthenic base as asphaltic base. The name naphthenic is more convincing as it represents the homogeneous series where asphalt is a polymeric condensed material having very high carbon to hydrogen ratio of no equal nature of general formula, and although the categorization in these three types, okay, maybe not accurate in a brief without any reservation of purposes. Knowledge of base of crude is a very essential as it depict even through the not fully and the usual properties NMS and can adequately information and refineries about the difficulties in processing to irrespective of the base of the crude all the hydrocarbon series listed in a chapter 1 are represent in all crude but to different extents. Okay, for Malaysians classified the crude excessively on the basis of residuum, a material left behind after distillation of fractions. Accordingly, these three types most important. Okay, एक बात पॉइंट लखी लो नोटबुक में खास इम्पोर्टन्स છે percentage wise this is the okay. Now the basis of the classification begins. Most discussion કરીશું આપણે important કે basis of classification begin with two choose fractions, key fraction number 1 અને key fraction number 2 as given below. જે તમે નીચે પ્રમાણે જોઈ શકો છો કે key fractions કઈ રીતે આવે છે this one. Okay, this is the most important and with API gravity mixtures. Okay, the key friction 1 નંબર જોઈએ આપણે જેમાં કેરોસીન છે ફર્સ્ટ એઝ અ બોઇલિંગ રેજ અલગ અલગ આપેલા છે નોટબુકમાં નોટ કરી લો. ધીસ ઇઝ ધ મોસ્ટ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ થિયરી. Now the key friction number 1 kerosene has a boiling range આપ્યો છે 250 to 275 degree Celsius અને normal pressure પર છે. And second one છે key friction number 2 lube છે has a boiling range of 275 to 300 degree Celsius at a pressure of 40 mmHg. Okay, now the for example 389 to 422 degree Celsius at a 760 mmHg pressure ના basis પર છે. Now the second part first part માં શું છે key friction માં કેરોસીન અને second માં છે lube. ના first માં boiling range નો કેટલો છે રેશિયો 250 to 275 અને second phase માં છે 275 to 300 degree Celsius અને mercury માટે છે 389 to 422 degree Celsius અને 760 mmHg pressure છે. And the API gravities of these fractions are found out and base of the crude. Base of the crude અલગ અલગ રીતે આપ્યું છે. આમાં વેનક્રી ફ્રેક્શન નંબર 1 જોઈએ આપણે તો 40થી મોર પર્સન્ટેજ એપીઆઈ ગ્રેવિટી આપેલું છે અને 33 એપીઆઈ ગ્રેવિટી એનામાં નેથેનિક બેઝ રેન્જ આપેલું છે. હવે નેથેનિક અને રેન્જ જોવા જઈએ તો 33થી 40 અમેરિકન પેટ્રોલિયમ ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યૂટ ગ્રેવિટી મિક્સ બેસિસ માટે છે. હવે જ્યારે કી ફ્રિક્શન નંબર 2 આવે છે ત્યારે 30 અને એના કરતાં વધારે એપીઆઈ ગ્રેવિટી, then it is the paraffinic base. Less than the 20 API gravity, it is a naphthenic, and between the 20 to 30 API gravity is a mixed basis. About district, the classifications disperse any ambiguity or decisions. However, in the case of mixed base crude, and the names examine is a mention for avoiding any moods. Say a key fraction. Say a key fraction number 1 of crude is having 39 API. This without any doubt is mixed base but more oriented towards. And the paraffinicity, this basis पर જોઈએ આપણે કે tilt towards naphthenic nature rather than the paraffinic crude and nature. In such cases, it is the reductions of the use for above fraction as a mixed basis, paraffinic base and naphthenic base respectively ના basis પર આપણે જોઈ ગયા છે. In case of key friction number 1 and 2, often the wax or wax free term is proposed if the pour point is less than 3 degrees Celsius. For this fraction, then the base is followed by the wax free. The term otherwise, it is followed with subscript waxy. And the earlier, this is the most important equations API gravity નું છે. This one. API gravity equation શું કહેવાય? 141.5 by rho is equal to 141 by rho minus 131.5. Okay, write down this equation. This is the most important. Now, the earlier days classification based on this location. These ideas need not be anymore entered as a location or formation can never give the idea of the crude, and some crude which is anaromatic series were also classified as aromatic crude or benzoic base na basis par છે. As all the naphthenic crude give painful aromatic, such formal classifications need not be the attendance this equation na basis par. Now the degree of API American Petroleum Institute is equal to the 141.5 by rho minus 131.5, where what is the rho? Specific gravity and fractions છે 15.6 degree Celsius by 15.6 degree Celsius. હવે મિક્સિંગ બેઝ પર આવે. આ ઇક્વેશન તમે ખાસ લખેલું એકવાર. API mix is equal to API A multiplied weight WA. W is a weight fractions છે અલગ અલગ રીતે. API B multiplied WB weight fraction B માટે plus API C weight fraction C. Okay, the API gravity of a mixture is equal to the sum of the avoiding and the API gravity of a component multiplied by corresponding the fractions in the mixtures. Okay, this is the most important equations. First of all, they write down this one. Okay, this is the most important equations for API mixing equations. Okay, last one. Next lecture માં આપણે જોઈશું UOP characterization factor. Thank you so much.